Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete AOL account permanently. Now, without any further delay, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch Aol Mail application on your mobile device. Now, once you are here, make sure that you are signed in to your account. Now, just at the top left corner of your screen, just beside News, you can see a circle icon with AOL dot. Simply tap on that option. Now, a menu like this will appear on your screen. Now, tap on the option of Manage Accounts. Now, you'll come to this page where you can see various accounts that you have been using on your AOL Mail. Now, simply tap on the option of Account Info just below your username. Now, once you are here, just at the bottom, you can see the option of Delete Account. Tap on that option. Now, let's wait for some time. Now, your email address will appear here automatically. Now, simply tap on Next option. Now, you have to enter your password. Now, simply tap on Next. Now, once you come across this page, a detailed information will be given to you, which states that after terminating your account, you won't have access to your AOL account. It also states that your account will be deleted within 30 days. So if you want to reactivate your account, you can sign in to your account within the time period of 30 days. Now, simply tap on the option of Continue Delete My Account after reading all these in detail. Now, over here, you have to enter the email address of the specific account that you are about to permanently delete. Now, let me enter my email address here. Now, after entering your email address, tap on Yes, delete this account. This may take a while. Now, you can see that your account has successfully been deactivated for now, but has been scheduled for deletion. So, you have to be waiting for a certain waiting period that is of 30 days. So, your account will permanently be deleted after 30 days. So, if you log into your account before 30 days, you will successfully be able to reactivate your account and use it again. So, this is it for today. And if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.